How to correct the position of the camera relative to the screw working head. By navigation page. Here, press the down key to find the user-level operating parameters. Select other menu keys by pressing the up or down key. Today, we will be studying the following. After selecting the menu, press the confirmation button. Then select the lines, set the parameters of the vision camera. Press confirm. Once inside, select R Visual Camera. Press the arrow keys and select coordinates of the electric screw head in the calibration position, and the dialog box turns blue. Then, move the screw head by pressing the X, Y arrow keys. Note that the screw working head needs to be switched to a suitable speed as it moves, and it is best to choose a medium or slow speed. Press this manual speed to switch between different speeds. Find a suitable spot and we drill a small hole. This location is generally at the fixed aluminum block on the second side of the LED module. When you get here, press the Z-axis and note the downward velocity. Select slow speed when approaching the surface of the aluminum block. About 2到3毫米 on the surface of the aluminum block is fine. When it reaches 2到3毫米, stop moving and do not operate the control handle. Press retest the screw working head down. Hold it down, don't let go. Check the head of the screw. There is no contact with the surface of the aluminum block anymore. If there is no contact with the aluminum block, press the Z-axis and slowly lower it. Press again, re-strike the test, and check that the working head of the screw is touching the surface of the aluminum block. Do not operate the control handle after contact. Repeat the operation a number of times by first pressing, re-strike test, and then pressing again, screw head placement test. Check that the screw head has not turned to rotate. Then check the surface of the aluminum block for small marking spots. If there are no visible markings, use your hand to gently depress the screw head. The screw head rotation test needs to be pressed a few more times as he is not rotating all the time. The surface of the aluminum block is marked, and then we're on top of the control handle, pressing the OK button. At this point, the blue dialog box has coordinates. Pressing the down button, we select correcting the camera's coordinate position. First, Press the Z axis to move the screw head upward, prevent collision. Then press the X, Y axis to center the camera on the marker. To make it easier to find the marker point, point your hand toward the marker location. Slowly move to the center of the small round hole. Reach the center position and press the confirmation button. When there is a coordinate value in the blue dialog box, it means the calibration has been completed. When finished, press the back button to return to the main menu options. This completes the correction of the deviation of the screw head from the camera position.